Hello students, today you will learn lesson 7 Glimpse of India, of English Standard 10. Glimpse means some scene. Okay. There are three lessons in lesson 7. First one is Baker from Goa, second one is Kurg, and third one is tea from Assam. Kurg is famous for coffee production. And Assam is famous for its rhinoceros and tea. And first lesson is a baker from Goa. Baker means who sell bakery items. Now we will start lesson. This is a pen portrait of a traditional Goan village. Pen portrait means drawing, but written by pen. Traditional Goan village baker who still has an important place in his society. Baker who makes bread and many other things, cake, in bakery, in furnace, baking करके बनाता है. Our elders are often heard reminiscing nostalgically about those good old Portuguese days. Reminiscing means remember. They remember nostalgically. उसको याद आती है. Sweet memories. They have sweet memories about those good old Portuguese days. Portuguese were ruling, Goa. The Portuguese and their famous loaves of bread. Loaves is plural of loaf. L-O-A-F. उसका plural है loaves. Loaves mean actually round shape like our Gujarati rotla. Loaves of bread. Those eaters of loaves might have vanished, but the makers are still there. But eater perhaps vanished, disappear. Now, perhaps nobody buy that loaf, but still maker, are there. We still have among us the mixer, the molder, and those who bake the loaves. वो फ्लोर को मिक्स करने वाले, मोल्ड, डिफरेंट शेप. मोल्ड मीन्स टू गिव शेप. बेकर्स आर देयर वो बेक द लोव्स. भट्टी में बेकिंग करते हैं, पकाते हैं. दोज एज ओल्ड टाइम टेस्टेड फर्नेस स्टिल एग्जिस्ट. स्टिल दिस फर्नेस आर इन गोवा एग्जिस्ट. एज ओल्ड टाइम टेस्टेड. द फायर इन द फर्नेसिस हैज नॉट येट बीन एक्सटिंग्विश. अभी भी वो बेकरी में फर्नेस में फायर बुझी नहीं है. द थर्ड एंड जिंगल ऑफ when the bakers went to sell their bakery items, they made noise with their bamboo stick and with metal bell, jingle. The third is noise from the bamboo stick and jingle is noise from the metal bell. The traditional baker's bamboo. Heralding his arrival in the morning. Herald means to proclaim arrival. When the king arrives in the court, heralders, they speak loudly about the arrival of the king. That is called heralding. His arrival in the morning can still be heard in some places. Still some bakers, in the morning they go out to sell their bakery things. Maybe the father is not alive, but the son still carries on family procession. Their father have died, but their son carries their profession. These bakers are even today known as pedder in Goa. They are known as pedder. During our childhood in Goa, the baker used to be our friend, companion and guide. These children. Author says that when I was child, bakers were our friend, companion and guide. Companion means actually साथीदार. He used to come at least twice a day. Came twice a day. Once when he set out in the morning on his selling round. Set out, निकल पड़ता था. On his selling round in the morning, and then again when he returned after emptying his used basket. खाली हो जाता था his used basket. The jingling thud of his bamboo woke us up from sleep. Okay. Jingling thud, metal bell with a bamboo stick. This voice wake the students up, wake the children up, उठा देते थे from sleep, and we ran to meet and greet him. Children ran to meet him, to greet him, उसके सामने smile देने के लिए. Why was it so? Was it for the love of the loaf? Was it so because we like bread very much? Not at all. The loaves were bought by some Peskin or Bestin, the maid servant. ये पेस्किन ने बेस्टिन वो मेड सर्वेंट के नाम है, पोर्टुगीज नेम, वो खरीदते थे. सर्वेंट ऑफ द हाउस. What we long for were those bread bangles. Children like bread bangles very much. We long for, they wish for. Okay, bread bangles which we chose carefully. Sometimes it was sweet bread of special make. Okay, children bought these bangles. Sometimes it was sweet. The baker made his musical entry on the scene with the zang zang sound of his specially made bamboo staff. Okay, bamboo staff means लंबी लकड़ी, उससे वो झांग झांग ऐसा आवाज करता था. स्पेशली बनाई थी टू क्रिएट सच टाइप ऑफ नॉइज. Sound of his specially made bamboo staff. One hand supported the basket on his head and the other banged the bamboo on the ground. Bang, टकराता था. Okay, one hand he hold the basket on his head and with other hand he created such noise. He would greet the lady of the house with good morning. Okay, with smile he said good morning to the ladies and then place his basket on the vertical bamboo. Okay, then he stood there. Okay, put the basket on bamboo. We kids would be pushed aside with a mild rebuke. Sometimes, okay, pedder, they scolded the children. थोड़ा डांटता था, चलो एक बाजू हटो. Okay, push aside. But we would not give up. Children would not give up. They stayed there. We would climb a bench or the parapet and peep into the basket. Climb a bench or parapet. Parapet means small wall. वॉल के ऊपर चढ़ जाते थे. दे पीप, अंदर शर से देखते थे. पीप मीन्स एक्चुअली डोका काटना गुजराती में, सर अंदर डाल के देखना. दे पीप into the basket. Somehow I can still recall the typical fragrance of those loaves. Author says I still remember the scent. Okay, fragrance, वो सुगंध मुझे याद है loaf की. Loaves for the elders and the bangles for the children. Then we didn't even care to brush our teeth. Author says we children didn't brush our teeth or wash our mouths properly. And why should we? Who would take the trouble? Why should we brush our teeth? Who would take the trouble of plucking the mango leaf for the toothbrush? Author says that time there were no toothbrush like today. People use twig of neem. Okay, छोटी सी वो ब्रांच होती है प्लांट की, नीम का या तो मैंगो ट्री. तो वो कौन डिफिकल्टी उठाए? And why was it necessary at all? As a child they thought, was it necessary to brush our teeth? The tiger never brushes his teeth. Okay, animals कहाँ brush करते हैं? Hot tea could wash and clean up everything so nicely. Children thought hot tea, okay, clean our mouth nicely. After all, mouth clean तो हो जाता है. Next page. Marriage gifts are meaningless without a sweet bread known as the ball. That time, marriages were impossible without gift of sweet bread known as ball. Just as a party or feast loses its charm without bread. Okay, party में या तो feast में जब bread नहीं होता तो it loses its charm. Not enough can be said to show how important a baker can be for a village. We can't say enough that baker was very important for village. The lady of the house must prepare sandwiches on the occasion of her daughter's engagement. At the occasion of daughter's engagement, his mother prepared sandwiches, cake, and bowlinghas are a must for engagement. Cake and bowlinghas are a must for Christmas as well as other festival. ये दो भी delicacy है, cake and bowlinghas. They must be at the Christmas and other occasion festivals. Thus, the presence of the baker's furnace in the village is absolutely essential. So, for this special occasion, festival, existence of pedder is very, very essential, very, very important. The baker or bread seller of those days had a peculiar dress known as kabai. They wore special strange dress known as kabai. It was single piece long frock reaching down to knees. ऊपर शर्ट की जगह like long frock reaching down to knees. In our childhood, we saw bakers wearing a shirt and trousers which were shorter than full length, and at lower they wore trouser which was shorter than full length pant and longer than half pant. Half pant से थोड़ा लंबा मगर full pant से छोटा. Even today, anyone who wear a half pant which reaches just below knee, invites the comment that he is dressed like a pedder. Author कहते आज भी कोई ऐसा हाफ पेंट पहने, तो people say he looks like pedder. ब्रेड बेचने वाला जैसा दिख रहा है. The baker usually collected his bills at the end of the month. Payment at the end of the month. Monthly accounts used to be recorded on some wall in pencil. Pedder wrote monthly account on some wall. Today how much was bought by these families, day after, तो next day कितना लिया. तो that account was kept on the wall with pencil. Baking was indeed a profitable profession. That business was profitable. In the old days, the baker and his family never starved. They were not poor. They never had to go hungry. Starve, matlab to go hungry. He, his family and his servants always looked happy and prosperous. His servant, his family looked happy. Well-to-do family, prosperous, rich. Their plump physique, their body were fat. They were fatty. Plump physique, plump matlab fat. Physique matlab stature, body, was an open testimony to this. It was proof. Their fat body was proof that they are happy, they are rich. Even today, any person with a jackfruit-like physical appearance, jackfruit, goal matole with fat, is easily compared to a baker. So even today in Goa, who is fatty, who is fat, he is easily compared to a baker. He is said that he looks like baker. Children, next lesson of this, next part of this lesson you will study in next video.